Hey Bill, I just want to confirm you had a couple notes there on opening the site and that. I just want to show you what I actually have in the tutorial system. Once you've extracted, okay, and this is the way I actually recommend it in our setup guide and our tutorials. You've got a folder here. You can put this folder wherever you want on your computer. Okay, so let's just say that I've got it. Here's my documents right here. Let's say I've got a place for my websites. Cool. Right, so I'm going to take my evolution folder, I'm going to pop it in there. Okay, there it is right there, right? Now, the way I suggest that you open any site or any new site, as I did a shortcut yesterday, is first of all open up Expression Web and close whatever's open. Next, click on the Site menu, go to Open Site, browse, and then browse to whatever directory folder, wherever you have the, in this case, documents, my websites, evolution. Keep clicking in until you get into the website folder, like so. And down here you want to make sure that it says location website and you see the layouts, library, Numo, site templates, all that kind of stuff. And hit open. And open again. Okay. Now that's the proper way to open a site. So when you do open a page, it's going to basically display the way you would expect. And over here you'd see the layouts, library, site templates, and whatnot over there. Okay, so that's sort of that. If you're getting one of those, excuse me, weird things about the article is an HTML5 tag, and that may be just the Service Pack 1 didn't kick into gear there. As long as it looks fine in the window here, that's going to be okay. It's just a warning that Expression Web's throwing up, probably because it hasn't got that HTML5 update, the version that you have. But other than that, the article tag is an HTML5 tag, and maybe that's why it's throwing it out. But as long as you can actually edit the site in the window here, then you'll be fine. Okay, for all this stuff in here, I want to show you how to get rid of it, because it's really, there's only 3 steps you need to take. Select the Numo folder and delete. So when you're ready to install the plugins, you can actually do it through your members page, okay? You don't really need this folder in here at this point in time, so you can delete that, like so. And then while you're at it, and it may take a few seconds to go through. It's been about 10-15 seconds for me here. Great, and it's gone. And the other 2 files, the htaccess, get rid of that for now, and get rid of the check.php for now. Okay, once you go to install Numo, which I'll show you how to do shortly through your admin panel when you're ready to roll, then that'll automatically be installed to the server for you. Okay, now for the all this stuff that drops down here, all you have to do is open up your library, your menu side, and your menu top. Now before you do this, what I suggest you do, because I do this all the time when I'm building sites, I don't need all this right now, I just make a copy of the menu side and a copy of the menu top, so I can go back in there later and quickly grab the code and pop it back in when I'm ready. But for now, just go to the menu side. See this Numo shopping cart here? Just sort of go to the code view like so, and right down here you'll see about line 58 to 63. Get rid of those right there, and right up here on line 26, get rid of the brackety bits right there. And that's all you have to do for the menu side. And for the menu top, right, same thing, Numo shopping cart, just select that on line number 10, get rid of it, go down here, line 31, all the way down to 39, 32, sorry, down to 39, get rid of that, and you're done. So now the component code for the shopping carts and whatnot and all the other components are gone from your site, so you won't see them. And then when you want to add them back in, you can just always refer back to the menu top. And if you get that, that's what we have the support system for. You can always contact me. I can show you how to put that back in there. Right. And now your plugins are gone from your site. Okay. And you can easily put them back in. And how I suggest that works, first of all, is directly from your members page when you log in. Just go to the instructions tab and go to web apps and click install Numo. And it shows all your plugins there, and it's just going to ask you for the database information, the FTP information, which you can get from your web host. And I have a little snippet of code you can fire off to them, or it actually tells you what information is required once you hit the install Numo. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to go through the process right now. But when you're ready to do that, you can actually install everything we just took out. You can put back in by clicking this button and installing it automatically to your server. Now, if you want the package that I've updated, let me know. I don't want to send you 10 million different packages. If you've already, if it, I wanted to show you how to remove those to start with, um, so you know how to do it. But if you want this package, I'll fire it over as well. If you're getting anything with an HTML5 error, it probably just means that the Service Pack 1, I think Service Pack 1 needs to be installed. I'm not sure. Service Pack 1 or Service Pack 2. It's one of the two. And that's the only thing. Other than that, the only thing they really do is I want to just make sure that when you're in the editing window that things look somewhat normal, at least in this body section right here, that you have access to it, and it's, you know, you can type into it and do all that sort of stuff, because everything else on the page is pretty much a library item that you would update. So